every act is an act of worship or meaning of our approach. So, in connection to our topic for today, ang Bible verse natin ay ang 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 31. No international version. So whether you eat or drink or whatever you do it all for the glory of God. In Filipino translation naman ay magandang pagkakapilihan. Kaya nga kung kayo kumakain o ano man ang ginagawa niyo, gawin ninyo ang lahat sa italalangaw ng Diyos. Kaya nga sabi ko na whatever you eat or drink, whether you eat or drink or whatever you do, so lahat ng gagawin natin, lahat ng purpose natin, yes, dapat ginagawa natin sa tarapang kagaya ng sabi sa ating topic for today. Every act is an act of worship. So we should be conscious of our actions kasi dala-dala natin yung pangalan ng Lord God and Jesus Christ. So para mas malaw para talakayan natin, mas proceed tayo sa ating teaching. Number 1, worshipers must be above reproach. So when we say reproach kasi parang walang disappointment or there can no longer be any criticisms made against you. So parang sinasabi dito na we should act na walang masasabi sa atin. Kasi we are Christians, we are worshiping God. At kaya nga nasabi, every act is an act of worship. So, dapat may puso tayo na nakakagawa tayo ng lahat ng bagay na hindi tayo mapupuna. Dahil dala-dala nga natin ang pangalan ng ating Panginoon. And number 2, honoring God includes our drinking and eating habits. So, gaya nga na sabi dito sa ating verse, so whether you eat or drink, so kasama rin yun. So when we say act, ibig sabihin in general, lahat ng kilos mo, lahat ng gagawin mo, lahat ng decision mo, lahat ng yun is an act of worship. And lahat ng yun is dapat natin gawin na nakaayon sa kung paano natin i-glorify si God. So, dapat lagi natin siya isasaalang-alang sa mga decisions and sa actions na gagawin natin. And number 3, Christians are on a journey to perfection. So, lagi natin tatandaan na once naging Christian ka na, ay hindi ibig sabihin na magiging stagnant ka na. You should be open for more growth and changes, growth, kasi nga, you don't want to become stagnant. Yung kung paano ka naging Kristiyano is ganun ka na lang, ganun ka na lalaki, doon ka na tatagal. So kailangan mag-go with the flow tayo sa journey natin to perfection and let God lead on our lives, diba? Dahil siya lang may alam and alam na kung ano ang plano niya para sa atin. So, ngayon naman is proceed tayo sa ating application. Number 1, honor God by not causing anyone to stumble. Number 2, be mindful that every act is a sacred act of worship. And number 3, practice the heart of worship. So, by now, we should be able to self-reflect on how we can develop acts of worship at